Hello YouTube family, welcome back. If you're new here, I am Jackie with Momma Mia DIY. Today I have a Dollar General, few things from Family Dollar and Goodwill haul for you guys today. So let's start with Family Dollar. So there's Family Dollar literally across the street from where I work, and I hadn't been in there for a while and just thought, well, I'll run in there and see what they have. So they didn't have much. I was hoping some of the fall stuff would be put out, but they hadn't put any fall out. But I did find these love words. It just says Woodward, and they were $1. So I picked up 2 of the love and 2 of the homes. So they're pretty thick. They're probably 6 to 8 inches. There's a Dollar Tree haul back there that I need to do for you guys too. So these are, let's see, they are about 7.5 inches on the home and 7 3/4 on the love. So I picked those up. And then with these, I picked some letters up at Dollar General, and I couldn't find the V and I couldn't find an I, so I picked up those. So that's it for Family Dollar. So while we're move on into Dollar General, and since we're talking about the letters, so the stack of letters, so I've got everything to spell out love, everything to spell out family, and I just need an H to spell out home. So I got all of those for some projects coming up. And I bought this Essential Mist Aroma Happiness. It's pineapple, peach, and wild mint. It's Airwick. 1 refill lasts 45 days. So I wanted to give that a try. So I picked up some nails. The set that I have on, I picked those up. Picked up these little nude and gold press-on nails, and then these nude nails. These are similar to what I have on, but they're in the blue, and this is white, clear, and gold, and then this mauve color. So that was the nails that I picked up. You know, occasionally when I do dress up for you guys and not look like this hot mess coming home from work, I do like to use false eyelashes. Usually I get these, the little flirty ones. They're more realistic looking. And something just told me, you know what, go a little crazy, Jackie. So I bought these that look like little caterpillars. So you might be seeing those on one day. I bought 3 candles. This one is antique leather. It's 14 ounce. It's got bergamot, zest, brushed suede, and smoldering incense. That's a 3-wick candle. kind of gives me fall vibes. I am so ready for fall, guys. I know summer just got started, but I want fall. And this one is the True Living Sugared Cherry Merlot, also 14 ounce soy blend scented candle, 3-wick. Smells good. And this one is also True Living Essentials Apple Bourbon, because you know where I'm from, we are the bourbon capital of the world, so had to get some bourbon. Rich notes of sweet sugar, apples, and bourbon. Also 14 ounce, and it's only a 2-wick. Smells good. Don't smell the bourbon, but it does smell good. So I picked up this Live Happy coloring book. It's just, you know, very basic adult coloring book. But I did like some of the scenes that was in it. Life is a joyful ride. And it reminds me of my mountains that I'm going on a trip with my girlfriends at the end of the month, so I can't wait. Collect happy moments. That's cute, I like that. So I picked that up. A lot of it is for the sayings to use on DIY pieces, and I think I have time to color, but you know, and I picked up some coloring pencils. So I'll either do it or let the grandkids do it. And the last few things that I picked up 3 of these plates. They were $2 each, and 2 of these cups. They were $1.50 each. I'm sure you guys already know what I have in mind for these. So I can do this without dropping all of it. But make a tier tray. So pick those up. And then the last 2 things I picked up, they were both $1, and it's this clear bowl and this tumbler that I was thinking do like this, paint it white or paint it. I bought some spray paint. It's a texture spray paint. Oh guys, I love it. Used it on a DIY that's coming up at the end of the month. You guys might see that in a lot of stuff because I really like that. So the next is 4 things that I picked up at Goodwill. And first is, this one was $2.99. And I'm hoping I can deconstruct it. I want to take this off because it has this here. So, and I know the heart can come off because I was fooling with the heart while I was at Goodwill. Yeah, it just pulls right off. So I'm hoping I can deconstruct the rest of it and repurpose this. And the next thing I got, this was $4.99. Is this little shelf. It's got a compartment down here, and it's got these holes. My husband's like, what are those for? And I'm like, I don't know, bottles, spoons, I don't know, honey. But just like the bones of it. So I picked that up. Like I said, it was $4.99. And the lady checking me out, she's like, you got a lot of wood stuff. And I was like, yeah, well, I like to DIY stuff. And then this, it's like a charging station. So it opens up like this. You wrap your cords around there and stick them through the hose there. Oops. So you can do 2 cell phones. I don't think mine would fit there. Mine's, or my husband's, but and then you got this bigger space. I liked the shape of it and everything, and then I like that you got a little compartment in there. So I'm not for sure what I'm going to do with it yet. If you guys have any ideas, drop them down in the comments. Maybe I will use one of y'all's idea on this. So the next thing I picked up is another charging station. Looks like this, and it has a drawer, and then this lifts up, and the wires come through here. So again, don't know what I'm going to do with it. If you guys have some great ideas, which I know you guys do, I watch y'all's videos, so just drop a comment down below. Give me a suggestion on what I should, how I should repurpose these boxes. So guys, that is it for this Family Dollar / Dollar General / Goodwill haul. I know I've been MIA in doing haul videos. Like I said, I got a Dollar Tree stash over here, some Dollar Tree stuff that I just picked up. I had to go because your girl just went ahead and bought a case of the flocking balls. Ever since they came out, and I've been checking the stores, I haven't even found even a sign of them. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and buy them. So, stopped in at these, picked up some other things. I'll go through all of those when, excuse me, I do the Dollar Tree haul. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We are at 274. We didn't reach the 500 by July 5th, but that's okay because we're still going up. There is several collabs and challenges that I'm doing. One is coming up on the 11th with my good friend Fire Wife Life Crystal. If you haven't checked her out, go over and check her channel out. We are doing a thrift store makeover. So that's why I went into Goodwill and bought these things. But after I did, and I remembered something I had, and I showed you guys late last winter, early this past spring, something, and never got around to doing it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to tell you. I want you guys to be surprised. And that is coming up on the 11th. There's what would WOOD you make coming up on the 17th with OK at Home and Marsha's Mush and stuff. Again, if you haven't checked those girls out, I will link their channels down in the description box below. So I got that challenge. There is a Christmas in July challenge on the 24th. That is, I can't remember who it's with, but if you follow me on Instagram, I shared the little caption about it. So that, and there's like 4 or 5 other collabs throughout the month that I'm working on. So I hope you guys are having a blessed day. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, think about subscribing and becoming a part of the Momma Mia family. I do hauls and DIYs and thrift flips and just a little bit of everything. So I don't know if you guys saw, there's Pookie. There's the Puka. Yeah, there's the Puka. So I want to thank you guys for the prayers. He's doing a little better. I mean, he's gonna be 16 this year, so he's gonna be 16 this year, so you know, he's my boy. Aren't you, Puka? You want down? Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, he's gonna be 16. When I first got him, he was tan and white. But as he got older, he just got darker and grayer. But he's my baby. Yeah. Mama's boy. So, and I forgot what I already said. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Think about subscribing. Hit the notification button, hit the bell, select all, and YouTube will notify you every time I upload a video. Comment down below what I should do with my Goodwill finds. I love all of the pieces. I'm having a creative block, I do believe. So, take some advice from you guys. See if y'all can give me some good pointers on what to do with those. Share with your family and friends. The sharing giveaway is still going on until we reach 500. Every time you share my video, give me a shout out, just tag me so I can keep track of everybody who does. Several people have, and I've got them on my list. That'll be a separate giveaway from the 500 subscriber giveaway. So I hope you guys have a blessed and wonderful evening or morning, afternoon, whatever time it is you are watching this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.